Getting materials right. 3.1 Natural and man-made materials. We are going to learn about where materials come from, learn which materials are natural and which materials have been made by people. Use books, videos, or the internet to answer the question. Getting started. Do you know what paper is made from? Answer. Paper is made from cellulose. Trees being the main source of cellulose fiber, or wood pulp. Besides wood pulp, paper can be made from other materials such as cotton, flax, straw, jute. What other materials can you see in this picture? Answer: bottle, plastic spoons, clip, CD, glass, calculator, and many more. Words to learn. Paper, cotton. Natural environment. Natural, existing in or derived from nature, not made or caused by humankind. Glass. Oil, a viscous liquid derived from petroleum, especially for use as a fuel or lubricant. Plastic. Plastic is a material consisting of a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compounds that are malleable and, therefore, can be molded into solid objects. Rubber. Rubber latex is extracted from rubber trees. Sand. Water. Wood. Wood is a structural tissue found in the stems and roots of trees and other woody plants. There are many natural materials. They come from the world around us. The materials in these pictures are natural. Oil is natural. Oil comes from under the ground. Other materials have to be made by people. Where does wood come from? Trees. Is rock a natural material or a man-made material? Natural material. Name a type of rock. Metamorphic rock, example marble. What else can we use rubber for? Rubber band. Think like a scientist. Finding out where materials come from. You will need a book, website, or video about how materials are made. Cotton is a fabric used to make many clothes. Where does cotton come from? Try to find the answer using a book, website, or video to find out where other materials come from. You could try to find out more about rubber, plastic, glass, or oil. Draw and label pictures like this to record what you find. Cotton is a natural material. It grows on plants. Cotton roll undergoes ginning to form fiber. Fiber is spinned to form yarn. Yarn is knitted or weaved into a fabric.